So, when you think about a cyber attack, what comes to mind? Probably some scene from a movie, right? Frantic typing, alarms blaring. But what if I told you the most dangerous attacks actually start in total silence, with a digital predator that sees, well, everything? That's what we're digging into today, the world of automated AI reconnaissance.
All right, just so we're all on the same page, this is the fourth part of our big dive into AI's role in cybersecurity. And all the really cool and, frankly, kind of scary stuff we're talking about today comes straight from a super detailed technical guide by Virtualization Options LLC. We're zeroing in on that critical first step of any attack.
So, here's the game plan. First, we'll look at how the cyber hunt even begins. Then we'll pit the old way of doing things against the new. After that, we'll open up AI's automated arsenal to see what it can really do. And finally, we'll talk about how on earth you're supposed to defend against these things. Okay, let's get into it. Before any damage is done, before a single piece of malicious code is even written, every single sophisticated cyber operation starts right here, laying the groundwork.
This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? It doesn't start with a big explosion. It starts with a whisper. This first part, the intelligence gathering, you could argue it's the most important piece of the entire puzzle.
So what exactly is reconnaissance? You know, the best analogy is a predator silently studying its prey. It's all about gathering as much info as you possibly can about your target, their networks, their employees, their weaknesses, all to figure out that one perfect way to get in.
And this is where things get really interesting. We need to look at how this whole process has changed. Because the jump from manual recon to AI-powered recon, it's not just a small step up, it's a complete revolution in speed, in stealth, and in scale.
Yeah. In the before times, not that long ago, this was a tough manual job. You'd have a highly skilled hacker or maybe a whole team spending days, sometimes even weeks, just trying to map out one target. They were manually probing networks, digging through public records. It was slow and it was loud.
And the old way had some pretty big weaknesses. The scanning was just predictable. It would send out probes in order, one after the other, in these fixed patterns that were super easy for security systems to spot. Think of it like a burglar walking down a street and loudly trying every single doorknob. Sooner or later, someone's going to notice. Then you'd have to manually sort through all the results, with no real idea of what was actually important.
Now just look at this comparison. It is absolutely night and day. On one hand, you have the slow, loud, manual slog that took weeks, and on the other, you have AI that does the same work instantly, quietly, and in mere minutes or seconds. All that tedious manual work? Gone. Replaced by an AI that automatically tells you the most valuable targets. And that brings us to the main event, AI's automated arsenal. We're now talking about reconnaissance happening at a speed and a scale that is just, it's not humanly possible.
So, how does this magic trick work? Well, it's a step-by-step process. First, these AI crawlers just hoover up data from everywhere: social media, company websites, code repositories, data breaches, you name it. Then, the AI starts connecting the dots, figuring out that the person on LinkedIn is the same person on GitHub. It can even read job postings to reverse engineer a company's entire technology stack. From there, it maps out the whole company structure. And then, the final blow, it checks all that technology against every known vulnerability. It's building an attack blueprint, all by itself.
And the level of detail here is just mind-blowing. We're not just talking about what software they're running. These AI tools can scan public photos to map out where a building's security cameras are. It can sift through an employee's tweets to figure out their personality and if they'd be likely to click on a phishing link. It's intelligence on a scale we've never seen before.
And when it comes to actually scanning the network, the AI is a whole lot smarter. Instead of those clumsy, predictable patterns, it uses adaptive timing. It makes its scans look just like normal, everyday network traffic. It automatically prioritizes the juiciest targets, and it can even predict the most likely ways an attacker could get in. And if the defenses start to react, the AI just changes its tactics on the fly. It's not just scanning anymore, it's thinking.
And check this out, 95%. That's the kind of accuracy we're dealing with now. Using machine learning, these tools can identify exactly what services are running on a target machine with over 95% certainty. The guesswork is gone. Attackers know precisely what they're up against.
And here's the final piece of the puzzle. After gathering all this information, the AI doesn't just give you a list of problems. No, it runs a full-blown war game.
It simulates hundreds of different attack strategies at the same time, calculates the odds of success for every single one, and then hands the attacker the absolute #1 most efficient path of least resistance into the network.
Wow. Okay, so that sounds terrifying from a defender's point of view. How in the world do you fight back against that? If the attacker is basically an all-seeing, super-intelligent bot, what chance do we have? Well, let's flip the script and look at the defensive playbook.
It's a huge question, right? When your opponent can see everything and process it all instantly, hiding feels, well, impossible. But maybe the goal isn't to be invisible. Maybe the goal is to be confusing.
So this is how you do it. A huge strategy is deception. You create fake systems, fake data, we call them honeypots, to trick the AI, waste its time, and study how it works. Another key move is constant self-assessment. You have to think like an attacker and find those little bits of information you're accidentally leaking. You pair that with smart network design and really detailed logging to hopefully spot the AI's subtle fingerprints before it makes its real move.
This quote from our source material really just says it all, doesn't it? AI doesn't just find a way in, it finds the best way in. The result is an attack plan that's designed for maximum damage, with a minimal chance of ever being caught.
And that really leaves us with this final, kind of chilling question. In this new age of cybersecurity, the hunt is automated. It's relentless. It's smarter than we are. And it forces us to ask, in this new digital arms race, does everyone just become the prey? Thanks for joining me on The Explainer.